Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says which of the statements is false? Okay, which of the statements is false? And the options are: option A, cistron is a DNA coding sequence for only tRNA, and that tRNA helps in polypeptide synthesis. Option B says cistron contains sequence coding for all the products required for the synthesis of a polypeptide. Option C says monocistronic unit is found mostly in eukaryotes. Option D says polycistronic unit is found in mostly in bacteria. Now let us understand the question. It says which of the statement is false. Okay. Option A says, as I told you, cistron is a DNA coding sequence for only tRNA. Is it so? No. Cistron does not have the sequence only for tRNA, and so it is incorrect. And rest of the statement says that the tRNA helps in polypeptide synthesis. That is absolutely right, because tRNA is the one which carries different amino acids. Yes, because they have the respective anticodons as well, which will help in further synthesis of the polypeptide chain. But saying that cistron is the DNA coding sequence for only tRNA, that is incorrect. Why? Because what is cistron? Cistron is that segment of DNA, or you can say piece of DNA, which consists of all the coding sequence or all genes necessary for a particular polypeptide, for the synthesis of particular polypeptide. Okay, whatever genes necessary, whatever enzyme necessary, whatever proteins necessary for the synthesis of this particular polypeptide chain, all will be coded by this cistron. So it is not one gene, it is a set of genes, or you can say it is a continuous, you can say that it consists of the sequences which are involved in the expression of a particular protein. Okay, but it doesn't code for only one particular polypeptide. It codes for all the enzymes needed. It codes for all the proteins needed for the expression of a particular protein, other protein, I mean. Okay. So option A, which says that is an incorrect statement. Hence, that is our answer, because we are looking for false statement. Option B says cistron contains sequence coding for all the products required for the synthesis of polypeptide. This is absolutely right. That's what I said. Okay. And what do they contain actually? Cistron contain mainly two types of genes. If you can divide them: structural genes, which actually code for the enzymes or the proteins further necessary for the synthesis of this polypeptide chain. Okay. And the second one, what they have is regulatory genes. Regulatory genes, which is involved in the regulation of the expression of the polypeptide chain, or regulation of the expression of these other genes. Okay. So that is what is, you can say these are the two main component of cistron. Okay. It is not one gene, it is group of genes. So option B, which says cistron contains sequence coding for all the products required for the synthesis of polypeptide, that is absolutely right. But that is not our answer, because we are looking for false statement. Option C says monocistronic unit is found mostly in eukaryotes. Yes, absolutely right, because here, each protein is coded by a particular cistron, which is monocistronic. Monocistronic, only one single cistron will be present. Single cistron for particular expression of a protein. Single cistron. So this is also correct statement, but it is not an answer. Option D says polycistronic unit is found mostly in bacteria. Yes, in prokaryotes, you can find polycistronic. That means many cistrons will be present. Many cistrons will be present. Okay, but this is not our answer, because we are looking for the false statement. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.